Okay, see, this is the question from April 2019. This they have given three phase voltage is given, right? Means line voltage is given 400 volt, ZR, ZY, and ZB is given, and we have to calculate the line current. Line current means IR, IY, and IB. But the problem in this question that calculate H, because we are having the formula VPH is equal to IPH into ZPH, right? So VRY is equal to how much? 400 angle 0 degree. VYB is how much? 400 angle minus 120 degree. And VR is how much? 400 angle minus 240 degree. Correct? So VRY is the line voltage, but we got it. But we need what? The phase voltage, right? So for that we VRN and YN, correct? But we know one thing more, that there is a angle difference of 30 degree, that VL is equal to root of VH angle is 30 degree. So basically what is the difference between line voltage and phase voltage? That is 30 degree, correct? So if we want to calculate VPH, so VPH would be how much? VL divided by root, and angle is minus 30 degree, correct? So if I want to calculate VPH, that is VRN, that would be 400 divided by root 3, angle 0 minus 30 is angle minus 30. Similarly, we can calculate V by N, magnitude is same for every case, 400 and root 3. Angle minus 120 minus 30 is minus 150 degree. Okay, so VBN is how much? 400 by root 3. Angle minus 240 minus 30, that would be minus 270, right? So from here you will get VRN, VYN, and VB. Okay, clear? Now you can substitute the value of ZPH by the formula VPH is equal to IPH multiplied by ZPH. So one of the value is 400 by root 3, angle is minus 30 degree, IPH we need to calculate, and ZPH is how much given? 24 plus J7, correct? So from here we'll get as IRN, that is the phase current. And as you know, in the star connection, IRN is equal to line current, means phase current is equal to the line current, so we can say IR. Okay, next would be how much? 400 root 3 angle minus 150 degree is equal to IPH into ZY is how much? 9 plus J40. Okay, now the next one is 400 root 3 angle minus 270 degree is equal to IPH, and ZB is 3 plus J. Understood? So you will get from here IRN, you get from here IYN, and you will get from here IBN. That would be equal to IR, that would be equal to IY, and that would be equal to IB. Got it?